Please give a big, warm welcome for Tonya Telesco.
It was Tuesday morning and I needed handouts for my presentation. So I called the print shop and they answered, Office Depot, this is Don. I thought, oh no, not Don. And I hung up the phone. You see, Don was this grumpy elderly man who was slow as molasses, and he had messed up so many of my orders. I even drove 40 minutes out of the way the week before so I wouldn't have to bother with him. But I was in a rush, so I called back, and he promised to have everything ready by early evening. I walked in 10 minutes before closing time, and he hadn't even started. And though I was kind on the outside, I was fit to be tied on the inside. And then suddenly, that still small voice in my heart said, Tonya, you know better. Get out of your world and step into his. So I took a deep breath. I packed my phone and my agenda and I sat them on the floor. And as I leaned in, he said, well, I'm looking at this personality chart that you want me to print out. And I'm wondering just where I fit in on here. And I knew God was setting me up. And I said, well, Don, tell me a little about yourself. What you been doing all these years? And we laughed as he shared about taking driver's license photos for the last 2 decades. And then he said, well, I got to get out of here so I can smoke my cigar and check on the stars. So he rang me up and we strolled outside to his little red car in the parking lot. And he began telling me stories about his passion for snowboarding that started at age 51, building a speedboat with his dad and raising his boys by himself. He was like this sweet kid in a worn out body. Then with the final puff of his cigar and tears just streaming down his wrinkled face, he said, I was really hoping to see you today. And it caught me off guard because though I wanted to touch his life, I knew that he had made a mark on mine. The very next morning, I kid you not, I turned to my assigned Bible reading where Jesus is speaking. And he said, if you have done it unto the least of these, you have done it unto me. And I realized in that moment that I got to hang out with Jesus underneath the stars. I believe there is power in your presence. And whether it's to an audience of 1 or a room of 10,000, that lives can be changed because you showed up. Thank you.
Fantastic. Well done, Tonya. Well done. Tonya has worked so hard for years at her speaking. She really has. She's been a stage time finalist 3 or maybe even 4 times, I think. She's been a semi-finalist pretty much every time we've run it. She always works very, very hard. She always comes up with different stories. And overall, you know, all her stories have been good, but the standard each 6 months, you can see she's got better and better and better. And it's a great example of the compounding effects of consistency over time, just continually working and continually developing that crucial skill of becoming a more impactful communicator. So well done, Tonya. Thanks for all your hard work.